Everyone, my name is Trapti Parekh. Currently, I am working as a legal intern in Lexis and Company. Supreme Court urges habeas corpus petitioner to take recourse to Section 97 in matter of illegal detention of wife by the father. Section 97C of the CRPC has become dead letter, Supreme Court said. The Supreme Court on Tuesday urged a petition having filed a habeas corpus plea under Article 32 against the illegal definition of his wife by her father to take recourse to the Section 97 CRPC. The Justice Dinesh Maheshwari said Section 97 CRPC has become a dead letter because of these shortcuts. It may be noted that the said Section 97 provided that if any district magistrate, subdivisional magistrate, or a magistrate of the first class has reason to believe that any person is confined under such circumstances that the confinement amount to an offence, he may issue a search warrant, and the person to whom search warrant is directed may search for a person so confined, and such search shall be made in accordance therewith, and the person, if found, shall be immediately taken before a magistrate, who shall make such order as in the circumstances of the case seems proper. The vacation bench of Justice Maheshwari and Anirudh Bose was hearing a habeas corpus petition by the husband alleging illegal detention of his wife by her father. The fact of the case were that the petitioner, aged 28 years, has solemnized marriage with the corpus, aged 20 years, in April this year. It was contended that after the family member of the corpus received information of the wedding, they had mercilessly beaten her and detained her in a room at their residence to prevent her from cohabiting with the petitioner at their matrimonial home. The petitioner has attempted to amicably resolve the issue with his wife's family member, but the respondent father and his other family member issued life threats to the petitioner. The petitioner further averred that he had subsequently filed a complaint with the Jurisdiction SHO, but no action was taken by the police authorities. Thereafter, the petitioner has even made an online application before the Chief Minister of the state of UP on the CM Jan Sunwai portal. The petitioner urged that the left with no other option, he filed the writ petition under Article 32 seeking direction to the respondent authorities to produce before the court his wife, who is illegally detained by the father at his residence. The petitioner advanced that both he and the corpus are major and have solemnized the marriage without any pressure and out of free will after knowing each other for over 2 years. At the outset, Justice Maheshwari inquired from the advocate for the petitioner that you have come under 32, why is the High Court not competent to deal with this matter? The advocate for the petitioner replied, in the view of the prevailing COVID situation in the state, the Allahabad High Court is giving hearing dates for after 3 to 4 months. The trial court are almost not functioning. So why you not take the Justice Maheshwari said, so why you not take recourse to Section 97 CRPC? Section 97 CRPC has nothing to do with courts. The bench The bench then passed over the matter to allow the time to the advocates to pursue the said provision of the CRPC. When the matter was called out again, the advocate submitted that he has read section 97. He also pointed out that the petitioner has approached the SHO of the petitioner, SHO of the Jurisdiction Police Station regarding the illegal detention, and even filed the application before the state CM on his online portal. The bench then proceed to dictate the order. The petitioner is dismissed and withdraw with the liberty to the petitioner to take the appropriate recourse as per law. So I hope you like my video. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.